Okay, so let's start another video to show another indicator that we are going to analyze. Let's analyze now the percentage of non-inspected. So let's check what is happening with the non-inspection indicator here in our utility. So we are here in Revenue Intelligence. So let's jump through NTN Analytics. Here you can see our indicators of our utility in our utility. So let's go to inspection results. I'm going to do a filter with non-inspector, so I'm going to select the indicator non-inspected here, percentage of not inspected, so okay. So let's update the chart here. Let's do something different. Let's do a bar chart, and let's do it by with the split about fraud, irregularity, and others. So here we are checking our indicator of non-inspected month by month, but I'm going to check here instead of month. Let's go to directly to locality. So we are seeing here what is happening with our indicator non-inspected, percentage of non-inspected by locality, and we are seeing here that there's something happening here with Hemish. So our non-inspected in Hemish is around 16.558, so a little bit less, a little bit up than the others. Vianden, Wilds, Mersch, all of them is around 11% of non-inspected, but in Hemish we have 16.58. So something happening here. So let's dive in and try to understand what is happening. So let's filter by Remish. So let's go in here, locality, locality here. Let's filter by Hemish. Let's apply the filter. Now we are just in Remish with our 16.58 percentage of non-inspected. Let's group by, instead of locality, let's group by municipalities to do a zoom in into Remish. So now we can see here, oh, so that's the problem, a problem here with this location Boo. So we have here 38% of non-inspected. It's much higher than the others. We can see here that even in Hemish, the range for non-inspected is between 8 and 16, but we have 38% of non-inspected here in Boos. So let's just filter to Boos. Let's check what is happening there. So let's do another filter here. Hello, municipality. Boos. Okay, so apply filter. So now we have here we have the 38% of non-inspected there. So let's go and check by, for example, let's check if we have some problems with the service order team, with the inspectors. Let's see if there is a problem with them. Not really. The difference is very 44% and 32%. The difference between the inspection team 15 and inspection team 16. So I think it's not a problem of the inspection team. Let's put here another indicator, for example, percentage of fraud. Yeah, both teams are getting around 4% of fraud here and 1.3% of fraud here. Let's check this indicator by another group by. So let's group by risk area. Let's check if there is something with risk area there in Boos. So let's update here our chart. Oh, so that's here. That we found there is a big difference here. So there is a risk area in Boos, and this risk area we got more than 105 and 44 inspections there, with a non-inspected rate of almost 40%. It's a very huge non-inspected rate. So here there's a problem where there is no risk area. In Boos we got just 12%, a normal non-inspected rate. So the problem is here there is a risk area in Boos that is generating these huge amounts of non-inspected. So easy to work with Revenue Intelligence to discover these problems that we have in our utility. So let's go to, we cannot inspect there, we are losing our money. So let's go to selection. Let's go to see the pending inspections. So we have a lot of pending inspections here. So here we have a lot of pending inspection. Let's check if we have any pending inspection there in Bulls risk area. So let's filter. Let's see risk area here. So we have 3 risk area. Let's see Bulls risk area. Let's apply filter. So yeah, we have 3, 6, 8 inspections already pending, with 17 days pending there in Bulls risk area. Probably the best way to do is to cancel these inspections. So let's come here and click here to cancel. So this way we are gonna cancel. Let's see just some examples of the customers. So here is an example of a customer in Bulls that is inside the risk area. So the best way is to do is to cancel. So let's go and click here to cancel, and that's it. We don't have to go to risk area in Bulls, because the rate of non-inspected will be huge and we're gonna lose our money. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.